Alright, I'm also going to do an ABS sensor on the 2000 Ranger. So the first thing I'm going to do is we've got to take the caliper off, and I'm going to take the bracket off as one assembly, okay? Alright, so this thing is super rusty, so here we go. We're going to try it. Oh, one came out. Let's try the other one. Two came out, that's pretty good. And then the last one here. There we go, 3. And the dust shield is free. Okay. The ABS is right over there. And there's an Allen head for retaining, and then this should come off, and then we'll disconnect all of the wiring as it goes around the top here, okay? Okay, the Allen head came out right here, and now we're going to try to just twist it and see if we can get it out without breaking it. Here we go. Oh, Jesus Louises. That's tight, so let's fight it. Alright, bad news. Looks like the plastic body of it broke off, and it's in there, so we're gonna have to try a different method of getting that out, and I'll show you that right now. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a large bolt that I know is gonna fit in, and I'm gonna okay, when I know it's nice and hot, I'm going to take it and I'm going to thread it into the hole. And that should just go right in. Like so, all the way to the bottom. Then what we're going to do is we're going to let it cool, and then we should be able to pull it out using that, okay? Let's see, give it a second to cool. Okay, let's see if we can get it out. Okay, a little bit of fighting, but there it is. The entire piece came right out. Okay, so now the hole is clean and we can insert the new piece. Okay, I got the new sensor in, and then I'll take it and route it back and make the connection. But the dust shield, because this doesn't go 90 degrees out, it kind of goes up. I got these on Amazon. I have to make a little indentation here. I bashed it with a hammer so it sits proud, so now the bolt holes line up, and then I can get my bolts back in, and then we can get the rotor and it all back together, and that should be it. Thank you.